Hello and namaste. Welcome to Move into Stillness Yoga. I'm Anab and I'm here in Rishikesh in India. Today is full moon here, and as you can see it's a beautiful weather too, warm and sunny, and the Ganges flowing by. So today I've chosen, being a full moon day, I've chosen a certain type of meditation which will help us to spread love and peace and a positive vibration across the globe through our efforts of meditative efforts and a certain breathing technique. This technique is called the Golden Lotus meditation. It was taught to me by my master, my guru, Yogiraj Siddhanath, and it is a beautiful technique as it helps us to absorb a lot of love and then spread it out to those who need it. Especially now in this moment when lots of people are suffering either directly because of the illness itself or due to financial hardships and other social restrictions, there are obstacles that are coming across. We all know that we can only give out what we have. When we are overflowing with something, we can give it out easily. At this stage, many of us may not be in that situation. So this technique allows us to fill our hearts with a lot of love, and the inspiration comes from our masters. You can choose your master to be the inspiration, or you can choose a deity that you may have, or if you don't follow anyone or you're not the devotional type, choose the full moon because it's a sign of positive vibration. Our masters, or any ascended masters or people we love to follow, they are a reflection of the divine truth. Just like the moon is a reflection of the divine light of the sun, which gives warmth and life to this entire solar system. So just like that, today use the full moon to its fullest potential, that you can maximize this vibration of love and joy that you can then reach out to millions across the globe. So the more anybody and anyone can do this. So if you have, because it's a silent meditation, so if you have friends and family, get them together, and the synergy will be more powerful than individuals sitting and doing it alone. So the meditation is quite simple. Here you visualize the moon. In my case, I'll visualize my master being the face of the moon and in this beautiful blissful white light, and here I'll be sitting connecting with him through a golden bridge. So you can do the same either with the moon directly or with any deity or master that you may have. And in your heart you visualize this beautiful golden lotus, and in this lotus you're sitting, a mini you is sitting inside and meditating. And the technique is a breathing technique where once this golden bridge with the moon is connected, is formed, you are going to inhale in the ratio of 1:1:1:1. So let's say we inhale 4 seconds of love from the source of love itself. You're inhaling 4 seconds in, then you hold and absorb your little meditative self in the lotus. So as you inhale, the golden lotus opens up, and then next 4 seconds you hold that breath, wallow and absorb the love in your heart, expand your heart. Next 4 seconds you exhale it to the world and imagine the golden lotus petals closing into a golden lotus bud, and then hold 4 more seconds for this love to radiate across the globe. And then again start the cycle by inhaling for 4 seconds, holding, absorbing that love in your heart, and then radiating that love out, holding another 4 seconds till the love is spread widely, again inhaling, and so this process continues. So each inhalation, if you take it 4 to 5 or 6 seconds as per your capacity, each breath inhale. So imagine a cycle of 4, 4, 4, and holding 4 is 16 seconds. So if you do it 5 seconds, it's 20 seconds. So let's say an average of 3 breaths per minute. Let's try and do it for 7 to 10 minutes, about 21 times. and then at the end of it we can chant Om and complete the session. So if you have any questions, please inbox me or let me know later. We'll continue this practice again in the weeks to come. All right, so now please find yourself a comfortable place and a quiet place where you may not be disturbed, and then you can start this meditation. So I'm going to take a seat. I'm going to put on this beautiful music as we close our eyes and take a silent deep breath before we start. You can watch me in case you're confused for the first few seconds, and then continue. I'll indicate with the opening and the closing and the holding. First connect with the golden bridge with the full moon. And now allow yourself a deep, gentle breath. And you can watch me if you wish for the first few seconds to see how I'm absorbing, retaining, giving out, and holding. for a minute to rest your energies. Now we'll conclude the session with 3 ohms. Take a deep breath. Gently open your eyes. Come back to the present moment. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you had a beautiful session, and hope it goes to help those who really need it at this moment. Thank you again, and namaste.